Hello everybody, welcome to my Tabloid 2 project. My name is Alyssa Lemieux, and let's just get started. Please excuse, I'm in my closet. This is the quietest place in my house right now, so that's all that matters. So, I just want to start off with how I analyzed my data. I did it by year. I also analyzed it by looking for different spikes and large decreases in sales. I was able to look at different regions of the United States and different states, and I got to see which products did well and not so well in all the different states and regions. While working through the project data more towards the end, I was able to really the data was a lot easier to read towards the end, you know what I mean? It was very easy to see the different outliers towards the end. It's just very obvious. Yeah, so let's start with our first worksheet. As you see right here, this is the profit map of the South region. I chose paper, quite frankly, because I am a Office fan, if you've ever seen that show. So I was just really curious about how paper did. Why not? It was an option. So what we're looking at right here is the South region. Florida, as you can see, does have a positive profit and profit ratio. A good profit ratio is normally between 0.5% and 3.5%. So as we can see, a lot of the South regions are doing close to good, I would say. Let's see, Florida, we're getting there with paper. Louisiana looks like it'd be the closest, or Alabama. A good profit ratio means that company can, make profit off it or make their money back. They're more likely to do that. Let's see for our next one. Sales by product region. Okay, this one was my favorite one. So this kind of shows the United States as a whole. It separates all of the different regions. We have the Central region, East region, South region, and West region. You can easily see just by looking at it that a lot of them look the same, like between the regions. Obviously, fasteners, it's pretty much like not even there. The bar is just like not even there. Technology does pretty good in all of the regions. The orange is where we get into the negative profit. You don't want to be orange. The darker the blue, the better. This is showing all of the subcategories, so office supplies, furniture, technology, all that kind of stuff. Copiers, you can see, does really good, except for the South. But other than that, all the other ones seem to do really good. So, going to the copier business. I'm just looking at it on my other screen because my camera face is blocking it a little bit, so it's hard for me to read. Yeah, so get into the copier business, not the fasteners business, that's for sure. Yeah, but it seems like no matter what region you're in, fasteners are really good. Definitely get into technology. Those are high profit in any region, it looks like. Let's see, next. Sales in the South. I guess I could have gone down the line. That's fine. This is sales in the South, so our region. From 2020 to 2021. I picked these years just because COVID happened in 2020, so I really just wanted to see the difference between 2020 and now and how much it affected in 2020, because we were a lot more locked down in 2020 than we are right now. So I just wanted to see how much of a difference there is. You can see that in 2021, a lot more phones have been bought. That's most likely because of stimulus checks and just because a lot more phones have come out this year than last year. There's a lot more stimulus checks that have come around this year than last year, so a lot of people are putting it back into the economy, buying cell phones, not tables, that's for sure. I think that in 2020 we can see that there is a lot of not a lot of profit with binders and paper and supplies, honestly, simply because of COVID-19. We were locked down. We weren't in school. We were all online, so there was really no need for schools to get binders and paper and supplies, stuff like that. But this year, a lot of schools are open. You have the option to go back, so that's good. Let's see, which one did I want to do next? The negative profit bar. This is obviously self-explanatory too. Tableau does a good job at making it easy to read. Yeah, you can definitely see tables is not really a big thing. Doesn't do good in the South. They do lose a lot of profit. You can see 199.5 in Burlington, North Carolina. I used to live there. Didn't see a lot of tables. I'm just kidding. But I did live there. That's not a lie. Let's see. Yeah, tables don't really do good. Paper and phones seem to always do a pretty good job. You'll always make your money back, it seems like, if you're a paper company, like Dunder Mifflin in The Office. Now, this is that one. Regional sales. Oh yeah. Did we already go with this one? I don't think we did already, but yeah, I think we did go over that. This just kind of, I do like this. This is my dashboard where I put both of them like together side by side because you couldn't really see if I just took one picture. You kind of scroll. This just gives you a more in depth of what subcategories are going on. This kind of just shows the South as a whole. This goes more in depth with like, you know, which ones are negative profit and such, so tables, machines. So again, 2021 chairs because we're going back to school. Fasteners again, not doing too good. So when a profit ratio is negative, it most likely means that that company is making less money than they're spending. So pretty much overall, we can see like which states and regions are profiting or buying the most or the least. The first worksheet that I showed you shows the paper profit map of the South region in 2020. Paper in the South region has a good profit ratio, meaning that they will most likely make a good profit and their money back. The second worksheet that I showed you guys shows sales by product and region in 2020. Technology profits are high in each region, like I said. Fasteners don't do good in any part of this United States. At first glance at the bar graph, all the regions seem to have about the same high profitable products and low profitable products. There's definitely a trend in which products do good and bad. Machines are a big outlier in the central region of the United States. The next worksheet I showed you guys, where are my glasses? That's my fault. But yeah, the next worksheet, the profit bar chart, tables are definitely an outlier, like I said. In any state, they're not very profitable. That's a lie. North Carolina and Jacksonville, Florida. Paper is highly likely to be profitable in any state. And the last one I showed you guys, the regional sales and profit of all subcategories in the South region of the United States. We're able to see which states are very profitable and have a good profit ratio. And we are able to see which ones are not. Whew. I need some water. All in all, Tableau is a helpful program. The more you use it, the easier it is, and the more you can see all of the good stuff it has to offer for you to do. It just makes it a lot easier to read and analyze your data. I want to show you all of it. Boom, boom. You can pause it if you want to see it, but I think it looks so pretty. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.